how to copy paste an image with a transparent background that they found, let's say, on the web, and copy paste it into the Google Slides still with a transparent background?
Oh, well, in actual fact, that's a pretty easy one. I'm in Google Chrome here, and let's just find a logo with a transparent image. So what's a good one? What about a PowerPoint logo, just to rub it in their face? So let's find an image, and in the search you would go into Tools, Color, Transparent. So now we know that these are kind of PNGs with a transparent backdrop. So if I click on this PowerPoint one, actually this one doesn't look like it's, here we go. So this has got a transparent background, right? In fact, the easiest way to do it is just click and drag over your Google Slides tab, let go, and it will create that image with the transparency. You see all of that white space, or if I move to the tab, all of that kind of checkered transparency is actually pulled over. So that's a really good way of just keeping transparencies. Once they're available within the Google search, click and drag them straight on into your slide deck, and if they were transparent, they should stay transparent.